Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review of this quarter 20 camera mount, kind of a wall mount, desk mount, wherever you want to mount it type system. I just picked this up. I'm probably going to mount a microphone or camera permanently to the wall so that I can do review videos and kind of get the, get the downward shot here so that I'm not always holding it here for my phone. But one thing here I did want to let you guys know about when this one here, it does get, when you mount it, there is no extendability on this. So whatever you're mounting is gonna be very, very close to the wall, or if it's on the ceiling, it's gonna be mounted very, very high. So make sure whatever you're mounting goes down or away from the wall or surface that you're mounting. But one thing here on it, I picked it up because it is a quarter 20. Basically, if you this little black cap will come off, it will exposing the threads here that you're going to be on, and that is the seam. That's the same thread that you're going to find on, like, my webcam here. You're going to find it on the bottom of any camera. I don't want to take my DSLR off the mount to do this, but basically you're going to see that that mount there. Let me show you real quick how that works. So basically how this is going to work is you've got your thread here, and then you've got your webcam or your DSLR, your phone mount, or whatever. Really, most content accessories have a quarter 20. I'm going to spin this the easy way, but normally, obviously, this is going to be fixed to the wall. But that's going to go right into whatever it is that you're trying to spin, and that's going to mount. So again, it's a really, really easy piece of kit to have to help mount here, and to also help with mounting it on the wall. They give you all of these screws. So if you're going into drywall, basically what's going to happen is you're going to drill a hole here, use the drill bit just about the size, a little bit smaller than the yellow. Put that in. You're basically going to hammer this into the wall. And then you're going to use a Phillips head bit to go through the mount into here, and that's going to expand. And that's going to keep you mounted to the wall. If you're going into wood, or you're going right into a stud, you can just basically pre-drill a hole and use the screw without the yellow bit. The yellow bit's for drywall. But overall, simple little mount that will really come in handy if you want to mount something again on a ceiling or on a wall. Something it can't hurt to have. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.